Good morning, guys. So today I am trying to fix the Wander Wagon.
Lost in the sight of you.
I started it up this morning and I realized that we were like dripping fuel from the fuel filter itself. I tightened the hose clamps first off, and I'm hoping that was our problem from yesterday. I don't know if that's gonna be the full issue because I didn't see it leaking yesterday. But it could be like letting air in there and then it would throw off the whole fuel air mixture. I don't know. So I tightened the hose clamp. It was a little loose. I don't know if this will fix it, but we're gonna get on the road and hopefully, cross our fingers, it'll happen.
We are packing up. We are about ready to head out of Yellowstone. It's a little bit stressful leaving because of all of the issues we had with the van yesterday and it losing power and us having to pull over in dangerous spots.
Try starting it?
Yeah. One moment. Okay, I'm back. And we have issues. We'll definitely have to go to a mechanic in a town that we find and just hope for the best. Everything is fixable. Everything is fixable, so we're not that worried. It's just not fun because it's only like our second day. Well, third day now, but we've only been on the road for a short while. Yellowstone was beautiful. We really enjoyed our time here and we'll see where we go next. Yes, I would like gloves. Alright, we are dumping the black water tank, the yucky water, for the first time. Never done this before. Corbin's done this with his family before, but I have never done this before. Ooh.
Pretty crappy time. No, it's not that bad. Okay, so our hose is under here. We have a little hose cover, and then you just pull out the hose. And this is the poop hose. First you connect the sewage hose to here, and there might be a little leakage when you first open it. So if you want to work the levers.
Okay, how do I do that?
Go ahead, all the way.
PU. Actually, I really don't smell anything.
So the reason you want to do the sewage first and then the gray water is because the gray water doesn't have sewage in it and it'll clean out your hose and all the fittings, so it's like basically cleaning your hose.
It's like
out.
rinsing it out.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that was easy. Oh. Next up, filling up our water tank. We are at Yellowstone Automotive right now, and the mechanic thinks that potentially it's a fuel filter we have in the rear that we didn't know about. He's changing that. He's also changing the front because there was a leak there, which is really dangerous. That can actually blow up your entire van. So luckily that didn't happen. That would have been really, really bad. And yeah, he says it's an easy fix. He's just gonna do it, and then really we're gonna start putting premium gas in the van because it is an older vehicle and that burns slower. We might get better gas mileage with it too. So we'll just see. We're gonna get this fixed and then we're gonna head out and see what happens. And if there's more issues, then we'll get it fixed at our next town that we're at. So just kind of going with it. Just kind of figuring it out and fixing what we can.
We changed the fuel filters. It's definitely not that because it's still not start. Now it doesn't even start. So I feel like we're kind of worse off than what we were. I mean, I hate to say that, but I feel like we are because it's literally not starting, and we could start it before and now we can't. So we just had to call a tow truck. They can't lift us because we have so much stuff on the back and we're just a really low clearance. So we're gonna be towed with a rope, old school style, to the other mechanic who hopefully can help us out and figure out what's going on. We think it's like an electrical issue with our fuel pumps, but we're not sure. So we're gonna go over there, and they can't see us for like 3 days. So we're really just gonna be camped out in the mechanic's parking lot for 3 days.
But it is nice he is gonna let us stay there. He knows we're staying in the van and he's gonna let us stay in his shop in the van, which is super awesome. Yeah. And this West Yellowstone is actually a pretty cute town because it's right by the entrance of Yellowstone. So there's lots of shops and stuff, things to do. Plus Corbin's gonna have to be working for the next 3 days anyways. So we were only gonna drive 100 miles today. We can definitely catch up to that, and it is what it is.
Yep, so this is breakdown number 4.
It's really breakdown number 1 because this is our real breakdown.
I don't know, I count 4.
Okay guys, here's the update. Right now we're still camping in West Yellowstone because
dun. But we're gonna go to bed because we can't have many lights on right now because we're literally like sleeping in the middle of the town. So thumbs up if you liked the video. We broke down a lot, but we're still staying positive, and I actually am having a lot of fun. So comment below with your favorite part of the video, or if you know of anything that we could possibly do to fix our van. If you like are a mechanic and you have skills like that, just let us know. Subscribe if you haven't already, and be where your feet are.